Hi, faves.
We are not on vacation.
We are not on vacation.
Yes.
Vacation is finished, right? Right? Vacation is finished. It's back to school. Right? Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yeah? Yeah. In here it's hot. Fix your foot, pumpkin. You guys, it's such a hot day out, but we are heading out. We have some errands to run today, and we are gonna do that. And my sexy man is entering the car. Nothing, just 2 fingers. You're a hot mess. You guys, today I call it shopping day. We have some spending to do that has to be done one time at one specific store. So we're going to do that right now. So it's the day to finish getting almost everything for baby girl room to be completed, and getting some decor for the house that we've been wanting. So I think we're gonna do that today, and some other little stuff. So we're on a mission right now, and we're gonna take you guys along with us.
You know,
Mama is talking. What did you say?
it just me, please.
Yes.
You know that my room is already complete.
Yes, your room is complete and very beautiful. Only baby sister room leave to be completed, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do it. We're going some shopping for baby sister, right?
We going it to the Conserama.
He knows exactly which store we're going. So let's go do this on this beautiful hot day. It's so hot outside. How much degree is it? 23 in the car, because in here is cooking right now.
We have
Gum?
cream.
Yeah, I think so. Anyway, you guys, we're heading out, so we'll catch you guys at some point on our way. You want gum?
Yeah.
All right. Like a virgin, touch of the first time. Cuisinella? Me too. Maybe it's new. All grandparents' house Mac. Exactly. You guys, the first stop is mat hunting for baby girl room. So let's see if we'll find something. Alright, I chose this one so far, so let's see. Alright, come on, let's go upstairs. Because I wanted pink, I didn't want it blue. Okay, so next up is storage baskets. So I'm trying to find storage basket for Minnie. Okay, so next I'm trying to find a small bedside table, something like this. Just one though. So hopefully I'll find one here. Alright, I'm trying to find Babe and Ty. They're around here somewhere. There they are. No, you stay right there, okay? Because we're moving a lot. An overmouth pumpkin. Alright, let's not waste too much time. Look at this chair. I think this is the chair. So now we're moving on to finding table for the dining room. For the table, the eating table at home. So let's see which of these gonna be the winner. What you doing? You got a fan also for baby girl's room. No, don't do that. They're seeing you. Now we're trying to decide which vacuum to take. So, let it go. But this one feels strong enough. But if you get the discount, how much it's gonna be for?
Which one?
The white one.
The white?
Okay, you guys, we're still at the store after almost 2 hours. Let me show you guys. That's some of our goodies in this basket. And some of the things are at the storehouse that we won't be able to get today, that we'll have to pick up next day. But I'm happy with the things that we got.
And me too.
Yeah. But when we go home, we'll get to show Fivs better what we got. Nothing.
Too much. Yeah, and it's a long line.
Oh, you have to ask somebody. Okay, I pick up that cushion. 701. That's the cart I picked up. So much for this. All these things in here.
We are finished.
We're finishing this store, but Mama is hungry. KFC today, huh?
We can go inside.
If we had the coins, what about if we had the coins?
Inside to Mama.
Goodies for days. Oh, I'm so excited. And we have the chairs at the storehouse. And what else? Stop! What else? The decor for on the wall. No, the fan is in the cart. Where are we? KFC. Right. Boy, your KFC. You guys are hungry, and of course I wanted spicy wings. So we come to KFC. What do you want? Popcorn chicken is here. Oh, it's not. Look. Going Sammy and Babe. And Tyler spicy chicken is coming soon. We're gonna eat. You guys, we're finally back home.
High five.
We're finally back home.
They don't have hand.
Why they don't have hand?
Yeah.
Because you can't see them, but they can see you. So you can give them a high five. Go like this. Plop. Yeah. Say high five. 1, 2, 3. Plop. Right. You guys, I'm just gonna show you a little glimpse of what I bought. So these are the baskets that I bought for baby girl's toy to go in, these two, but I'm gonna paint over the blue, put a little dash of pink in it because it's too blue for me. And this basket right here is what I put for some storage, but you guys will see how I organize it. But you guys have to wait for the room tour. So I have gray, kind of cream, and there's a black one inside. So just to give you an idea. And that's her fan over there that we bought. See some more baskets up there. But yeah, but you guys have to wait for the room tour to see how it's gonna be. So we're finally gonna get to finish up her room basically, and her carpet is over there.
I want to finish up my room.
Yeah, your room is already finished, so it's baby sister time, right?
Yes.
All right, so you guys, I'm just coming on to end this vlog. Yeah, end the vlog with me. We got back home from that long shopping fun, and we were so tired, we went straight to bed. So we're just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. I'm getting a short vlog today, but that's okay. So yeah, just tell you guys thanks for watching and that we love you guys. And give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam. And we will see you guys in our next video. So bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.